media personality and critic Martins Otten, widely known as VeryDarkMan, has been detained by the Nigerian police force following concerns over his unauthorized use of a police uniform. According to his legal representative, NaijaNews, VeryDarkMan was taken into custody after responding to a police invitation for the second consecutive day. The social critic had previously attended a similar summons just yesterday. The controversy stems from a recent video where VeryDarkMan appeared wearing a police uniform, introducing himself as a chief superintendent of police of the online division. This action prompted an immediate investigation by law enforcement to determine how he obtained the uniform. Before his detention, VeryDarkMan issued a public apology through social media, expressing regret for wearing attire that resembled an official police uniform. He also used the opportunity to caution others about the proper protocols for using police uniforms. Further details emerged through social media personality Coco P, who reported that authorities conducted a search of VeryDarkMan's residence to locate the uniform in question. Despite cooperating with the investigation, VeryDarkMan will reportedly remain in custody pending his court appearance. The Nigerian police force has previously expressed concerns about the unauthorized use of their uniform, viewing it as a serious matter requiring thorough investigation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.